Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you about MRDCL Central Recent List. Recent List contains all the previously opened setup files or imported files. Users can switch between the MRDCL Central Recent List and MRDCL Classic List. MRDCL Classic List is the list of previously accessed setup files in MRDCL Classic. MRDCL Central Recent List button is the folder with the new logo, while MRDCL Classic Recent List is the folder with the old logo. However, MRDCL Classic Recent List directory will have to be updated in Setting page. Now, to open a set of files in MRDCL Central Recent List, select the Recent List tab. User can select any set of file with the recent list. The selected file will be displayed on the tab banner, which includes the last run status. Recent list is sorted by the last modified date and the last modified file is on the top. Last set of run status is now viewable in recent list as well as a new favorite button is available. User can click a set of file as favorite to easily edit the files. The MRDCL Classic Recent List features are still available in MRDCL Central Recent List. A new button Create Duplicate Setup File is available in MRDCL Central. Duplicate name format will be file name copy.st. Recent List buttons contain the usually Tidy List and Tidy All buttons, but Tidy Duplicate is no longer available. Setup file name that RRF Open Rerun will not be added again to Recent List. Instead, the existing setup file status and last modified date will be updated. Recent List also has a search text to easily find the match item in the database. User can also open a setup file by dragging a setup file from the Explorer and dropping it to the Recent List pane. Make sure not to drop the setup file to the editor.